this is the tutorial video to Look What You Made Me Do by Taylor Swift. Now, I want to preface this by saying I am not 100% certain that YouTube will let me upload the full video with the music. Taylor Swift is one of those artists that are real strict with her copywriting. And so sometimes when you post a video with her music, they will take it down or delete it. What I don't want to happen is for this whole channel to get shut down. So, if I use a different backing track that someone did a cover of it, I might have to do that. But I wanted to break this down for you today because I'm not going to have time to teach it before the actual Halloween class this year. This song has a great Halloween vibe, and that's why I chose it. Taylor Swift has done a lot of good music in recent years that kind of contributes to my Halloween playlist, and you'll notice that if you come to class. And so I've got my Halloween socks on. Isn't that fun? I know, crazy. So we start out with a slow walk in the verse. You're gonna walk out, walk, walk, quick, 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 and dip, dip, dip. Then we walk, 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 quick, 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 dip, 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 dip. You're going to do that 4 times. Then you're going to take your shoulders. Think about moving your shoulders like this, back and forth. But we're going to kind of creep over here. I call it creeping. I don't know what you call it. But while you're moving your shoulders, you'll hear like the piano. And so it's shake, 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 and then you'll hear the music, and it'll go da-da. And then you take it to the other side, da-da, take it to the other side. Okay, we'll do that 4 times. Then we get into, after that third one, I want you to walk, cross, take it, back, and as you're walking, I make a list, and I check it twice. Now you're ready for the chorus. So, this is quick. Hold your abs in and dip down, 2, 3, 4. Jump, walk, 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 slide. Dip down, 2, 3, 4. Walk, 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 inside, inside. Easy as pie, okay? Now, in the bridge, she's going to say, I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me. Start on your right, walk, walk, back, back. I'll be the actress. Drama, okay? Left foot, walk, cross, back, back and up. Drama, drama. Gonna do that 4 times. Then you're back to that little shoulder shaking part, and then we go back into the chorus. Now, like I said, I hope I can post the full video, but truly, if you want to get the best experience in learning routines, you gotta come to class, because this is the truth. I wish I could say this on every tutorial. Tutorials are great, and I do give them occasionally, but if you want a good learning experience in dance fitness, the best thing to do is to come to class and do it consistently. Everyone in here who's been with us more than a year will tell you that if you don't come on a regular basis, it's a lot harder to retain the moves, and then maybe you don't enjoy it because you don't feel like you know what you're doing. The longer that you're here, the easier it gets. And I will tell you, I'll be straight up honest, you'll notice me using a lot of the same moves in different routines. And when I put my playlist together for class, I use the songs with the same moves. I do that on purpose. It is very calculated how I come up with a playlist, because I want you to have the opportunity to get that move over and over until you get it. Because you will get it. There are people in this class that told me they could never do it after their first class. And they have been here for years, and they are front row divas. So, don't count yourself out. I hope you enjoy the full routine, if I can post it. If not, come to class and do it with us. Ciao.